Hi there, and welcome to TechFlower, and welcome to my Tesla Model 3. Have you ever wanted to have a phone charger in your Tesla that is not at the bottom below the screen? Well, then you're in luck, because EvBase sent me this phone charger with MagSafe to test out. So let's see what we have in the box, and let's install it as well. So we have the box here. It's showing that it can be in different angles, and it's connecting to the corner of the screen. Not much that we can understand on the box, but here we see a picture of how it should look like. And it is also a fast charger, so that's good. So let's just unbox this and see what we have. So let's open it up and reveal the phone holder. So what do we get here? We had some cable over here. So we have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's quite long. I guess it's about 1 meter. Then we have a really strong magnet. So this is the MagSafe ring that is in the end attached to the phone holder. Then in this envelope we have, I think, magnetic circles. Yes. So if you don't have MagSafe or some magnets on your phone, you can definitely use these ones and stick on the back of your phone. And if you don't want to stick it directly to your phone, you can use these plastic stickers, put those first on your phone and then the MagSafe ring on top of that. And we even get wet wipes to clean the surface of the phone to stick the magnets to it. But since I have an iPhone, I already have MagSafe on it, so I don't need to use those. So we'll put that to the side. And then we have, well, we'll have to see what this is. This is something to do with the corner behind here, some support. And if you take this out, we see that this is quite elaborate. And we have these knobs here, so we can tighten them up or loosen them up and decide the angle of the mount. And this one here is to tighten the grip of the corner of the screen. So this is everything that is in the box. So let's just install this. I'm not really sure what this is for. Maybe it's supposed to be in the corner here. I guess so. So it's having some support behind in the corner or something. No, probably not. Let's just skip it for now. So let's just install it. So this goes on the corner of the screen, and this knob here is used to tighten the mount to the screen. So let's do that. So putting it here, holding it down and turning the knob on the back. Let's see. Am I going in the right direction? A little bit more. No. That is quite loose. So how is this supposed to work? Oh, I was going to the wrong direction. So you see that this one goes up and down. I was loosening it up. So let me try this again. Put it here and go into the right direction now and see when it's tight. And now it's not going anywhere. It's really tight. And we see that this one is quite loose. So let's tighten this one a little bit as well while we install it. Like this. But we need to place this one because this one holds the magnet and this one also holds the USB-C connector. So let's first place it with a USB-C connector facing downwards. So when we connect the cable, it goes down to the center console. So we simply have to loosen this one up and press it into the ball here. Let me see, maybe we have to loosen it a little bit more. Let's do it like this. And then press it in like this. And then we have, I know you can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm just tightening up here in the back. So this is sticking here. So now we should be able to put my phone on here. And it's sticking quite well. It's quite a strong magnet. I'm pulling and it goes, and I can also have it landscape. But it's not charging yet because I haven't connected that charging cable. So let's take the cable. It's the USB-C cable, and we had the USB connector facing downwards. Maybe we should have connected this before. Trying to find the USB-C connector. Maybe you should just loosen this up a little bit and roll it over. Connect the USB-C connector and tighten this up again. So we can hide the cable behind here. And then we just have to connect the other end in the center console. So how we'll hide the cable? Well, that's a good question. We can find a way to hide the cable better than I'm doing here. But now we should be able to charge my phone using this phone holder. And as you can see, it's charging. So this is really nice. And as I said, I can charge it in landscape as well. You can see that as well. But then I can also loosen this one up, and I can have it in different orientations. If I want to have it like this, for example, I will tighten this up again. Having it on the side, so it's not blocking my screen. But since I have this recording device here, it's a little bit difficult, but I can do like this and have it on the side. And of course, let's imagine that my phone is in the correct orientation, so I could have it like this. I could have something on the screen here on my phone, and I can completely see what's happening on the Tesla screen. So this is really nice. Having the possibility to have whatever orientation I want, just by loosening the bolt here, I could have it like this. I don't know why I would have it like this, but there is the possibility to do that. So really simple installation. And if you don't want the cable going out here, you can just skip the cable and just use it as a phone holder. So I would probably keep it in the position like this, so it's in portrait mode, because then I can use the phone for something that I want to use it for, and then the screen is not blocked at all. But it's really nice to have the option to have different orientations for different use cases. So this was the unboxing and review of the Tesla phone holder and charger from EvBase. If you want your own phone holder or other Tesla accessories, please go to evbase.com, and please don't forget to use my discount code TechPlower at checkout. Then you will get some generous discount. I really hope you liked this video, and if you really liked it, please check out my other content on my channel, and please consider subscribing, because it really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.